Amaakwa Y'Embura nyingi gutwa niriroba kwanyuka ikiokirete abantu 22 gusiria obugima. Wasiri boburendi bwime Kipchumba Murkomen nigarure ngora yaye yabene gucia ase bali basirire abamwabo na kuburia abantu kurwasinseme cyo konganya. EMEROBERIO bwokorya abantu bande 29 nigo ogendete.
Our Ngao officers, our county commissioners, the regional commissioner is well briefed to make sure that we give out early warning and an alert to everybody to go to safe ground. Today, I think the search should be able to lead us to a number of persons who are missing. And you know, in law, you cannot say they are dead until they are established that has happened. So the missing persons will continue being searched. It's very sad, by the way, that some families lost 5, 6, immediate family members. So it's not a very easy thing.
Those who have been injured, the government of Kenya is going to pay all the hospital bills. For those who have lost their lives, the families who are grieving, the government of Kenya is going to stand with all these families who are grieving at the moment to ensure we have a proper and decent send-off